Swindle. To cheat someone and take money. He tried to swindle people with fake offers. The man was caught swindling customers. Brandish. To wave something, like a weapon, in a threatening way. He brandished a stick to scare the dog away. The man was brandishing a knife angrily. Tattle. To tell someone's secret or complain about them. The child tattled to the teacher about his friend. She warned him not to tattle on others. Plagued. Troubled again and again. He was plagued by constant problems at work. The city was plagued by heavy traffic every day. Espionage. Secret spying to get information. The spy was involved in espionage activities. The movie was about international espionage. Disguise. To change appearance to hide identity. He wore a disguise to avoid being recognized. She used makeup as a disguise. Rim. The outer edge of something. She placed the glass carefully on the rim of the table. Snow covered the rim of the mountain. Exasperate. To annoy someone a lot. His constant talking began to exasperate her. The delay only exasperated the passengers. Probity. Honesty and strong moral values. He was known for his probity and fairness. The leader showed great probity in his work. Erudite. Very knowledgeable. The erudite professor explained the topic clearly. She is an erudite person with deep knowledge. Inundated. Flooded or filled too much. The streets were inundated after heavy rain. She was inundated with messages. Lackluster. Not exciting or not impressive. The performance was dull and lackluster. His work seemed lackluster today. Plebiscite. A vote by people on an important issue. The government held a plebiscite for the decision. People voted in the plebiscite peacefully. Adamant. Very firm and not willing to change. She was adamant about her decision. He remained adamant despite pressure. Hurtle. To move very fast. The car came hurtling down the road. He went hurtling toward the finish line. Orgy. Wild and uncontrolled activity, often too much fun or excess. The party turned into an orgy of noise and chaos. The event became an orgy of celebration. Sheepish. Feeling shy or embarrassed. He gave a sheepish smile after the mistake. She looked sheepish when caught lying. Negate. To cancel or make something not true. This result will negate the earlier claim. His apology did not negate his mistake. Sinister. Giving a feeling that something bad will happen. His sinister smile made everyone uneasy. The dark house had a sinister look. Tremors. Small shaking movements. The ground felt slight tremors during the night. His hands showed tremors from fear. Pedantic. Too focused on small details. He sounded pedantic while correcting every mistake. Her pedantic style made the lesson boring. Audit. To check records or accounts. The company decided to audit its accounts. They hired experts to audit the system. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.